In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Chrome not saving passwords. If Chrome has suddenly stopped offering to save your passwords, don't worry. In most cases, the fix is quick and easy. We're going to walk through the settings that control password saving in Chrome and make sure nothing is blocking the feature from working properly. Start by opening Google Chrome and clicking the three dots in the top right corner of the browser window. This opens the main Chrome menu where you'll find access to all of the browser's settings and tools. From there, select Settings, then go to Autofill and Passwords and open Google Password Manager. This is the section where Chrome manages saved logins, autofill behavior, and password-related preferences. If Chrome is not saving passwords, this is the first place you should check. Once you're inside Google Password Manager, click the Settings option, which is shown with a gear icon on the left sidebar. This area contains the controls that tell Chrome whether it should ask to save passwords when you sign into websites. Now make sure the option called Offer to Save Passwords is turned on. If this setting is disabled, Chrome won't prompt you to save login details even when you enter them correctly on a website. Turning this back on often solves the issue right away. Next, scroll down until you find the Declined Apps and Sites section. In some versions of Chrome, this may appear as never saved. This list contains websites where Chrome was previously told not to save your password. So even if the main Save Password feature is enabled, Chrome may still ignore specific sites listed here. If the website you're having trouble with appears in that list, click the X next to it to remove it. That tells Chrome to stop blocking password prompts for that site. The next time you sign in, Chrome should be able to offer to save your login information again. If everything looks correct but the problem still continues, the last step is to clear your cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can sometimes interfere with site behavior, including sign-in prompts and password saving. Clearing this data can refresh how Chrome interacts with websites and help restore normal functionality. After doing that, try signing into the website again and see if Chrome now asks to save your password. In many cases, one of these settings is the reason the feature stopped working. And that's how to fix Chrome not saving passwords.